AI idea sitting in your head, not sure where to start? Let me show you how to get to a working MVP without risking your life savings. So if you got an AI startup idea but you're not sure how to actually build it, you are in the right place. Most founders jump straight into finding developers and building stuff, and that's where things get expensive and messy. Because without a clear process, you end up building the wrong thing, burning through your budget, and honestly getting stuck. Speaking from experience of helping almost 100 startups, I know there is a better way, a process that de-risks every step, gets you to market faster, and doesn't waste your money. So let's break it down. Step 1. Start with a roadmap. Before you build anything, you need an AI roadmap. This is your plan. It maps out what you're trying to do, what AI tools you actually need, what data you'll use, and the exact steps from idea to launch. This roadmap clarifies what's feasible, prevents costly tech mistakes, and gives you a realistic budget and timeline. I know it's not as exciting as building something, but this step saves you months and thousands of dollars. Step 2. Create a demo. Once you have your roadmap, create a demo, not a full product, just something that shows your idea in action. This could be just a prototype, a video walkthrough, or a simple proof of concept. The goal is to validate your idea with real users before you invest in full development. You get feedback fast, you can pitch investors or customers, and you see what resonates. I've seen founders get their first commitments just from a good demo, no actual product yet. Step 3. Sell early, build lean. Here's where it gets interesting. Don't wait until your product is perfect to start selling. Use your demo to get commitments, pre-orders, positive feedback, maybe some early payments. Only then start building your lean MVP, meaning the smallest version that actually works and solves problems. This proves demand before you invest in development. You're reducing the risk of building features that nobody wants, and you get to launch in weeks, not months. Step 4. Iterate fast. MVP is not a finish line, it's a starting point. After launch, collect user feedback, track how people use it, and rapidly improve your product. Use real data to figure out what to build next. Ship improvement every week. Keep your MVP lean and grow your user base with every iteration. Now, how this works in practice. At Glissando AI, this is exactly the process we use with non-technical founders. We call it the minimum viable idea phase. We deliver a roadmap, create a rapid demo, and help you build a lean MVP in about 4 weeks. The goal is to get you from idea to working product without burning through your budget or wasting money. Building an AI startup doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming. Roadmap first, then demo, then sell early, then build lean and iterate fast. You'll get to market faster, spend less money, and build something people actually want. If you are sitting on an AI idea and not sure where to start, reach out. Book a roadmap session and we'll help you figure out the smartest path forward. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.